Hey guys, so today we're going to be making diaper cakes. The diaper cakes you're seeing right now are the ones I made for a close friend of mine for her baby shower back in 2017. They were for a boy and she had Cabbage Patch theme. So this time around I will be making diaper cakes for my sister who is having a baby shower for a girl. So this is just a video of me making the diaper cakes. It's not a tutorial video. It's just me documenting myself making the cakes. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so we are about to make diaper cakes. And a tricycle. So I got all the materials. We went to the store today. We got a bunch of stuff. So let's just see how this turns out. It's about, let me see. It's about 8:16 p.m. So I'm about to get started. The baby shower is tomorrow at 1 p.m. So we're about to see how this turns out because I have all the materials. I got everything I need. I think I'm gonna make about 3 different things out of diapers. I have done this before, but this time it's for a girl instead of a boy. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna make is the tricycle. And for the tricycle, you're gonna need scissors, ribbon of your choice, tape, zip tie, empty paper towel, tissue rolls, diapers. I got size 3 because I want the decoration to last for a while and she can take it apart whenever she's ready and she won't have to take it apart right away. You'll need a platter, socks, baby bibs, and you'll need the blankets. Also a pot to roll the diapers in to make the wheels. You're going to need to make 3 wheels. And also rubber bands. So this is all the stuff you're going to need. I am not doing a stuffed animal or a doll to sit on it this time around. I did it last time in the last tricycle I made, but this one I'm just going to make a tricycle. So yeah. And you can add on from there, but let's see how this turns out. So this is how you want to put the diapers in the pan. You want to put them around in the same direction so they are facing the same direction. So you're going to put them in there like so. So you can make a circle. Okay, this is one of the wheels, my first wheel. I know I'm going to have to adjust the center. You don't want your center to be too loose because you still got to put the pole in there in the end, and you got to make sure that it's not going to come off. So right now we're going to take one of our rubber bands, our big rubber bands. Got to go around there to that one. Let's see. Let's get more sizes here, the rubber bands. This one. I'm going to take one this side and we're going to put it around this. This is what it should kind of look like when you're done putting them in there. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 diapers in here. And again, these are the size 3, so if smaller you might need more, but you just adjust it until you have a perfect wheel. So I'm gonna keep adjusting it till I get a perfect wheel. Okay, this one came out a lot better. It's a lot more neater than that one, so I'm gonna redo that one. But yeah, this one came a lot more better. This can fit in the center there, so yeah, now we're ready to put our rubber band on there. Okay, right now as you can see, I put the rubber band around the top And now I'm gonna go ahead and slide that out of the pan. The rubber band is here, and when I slide it out, it's gonna hold it together. See? As you can see, and I'm just gonna adjust the wheel as I go and slide the rubber band in the middle. That way I can put the ribbon along the lines. Okay, now we have 3 wheels that we are ready to wrap with this. These are our 3 wheels. That's how they all came out. So now we're ready to make our tricycle. Okay, so this is what I got. I wrapped these with blankets, and I put, where this changes color, but I think I'm gonna keep it the pink side. And now I'm going to put this in between here. So it should look a little something like this. Okay, next you need to take your pipe wire and tie them together so it can connect all 3. So you're gonna put it through here and through here to connect all 3. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, so we just added some rolled up diapers here in the center and in the back to cover everything. And that's piping on the side. You can use a different color. I just used that because the brown ones are all I had. But that ties all 3 together. And that's what it should look like thus far. Okay, now I added this little bib. It's a whole bib, so it goes to the front and back. And yeah, I think that goes perfectly. Okay. This is the finished product. All right, now that this project is done, for this next project, we're gonna get real creative. I rolled up a bunch of diapers. I'm gonna make a diaper cake, 3 or 2 tier. We'll see how it goes. So you're gonna need a platter, paper towel rolls, and some creative crafts. So we're gonna see how this plays out. All right. Okay, so this is what the diaper cake is semi-looking like. So what I'm going to do is actually place everything on there. All right. Decorations for the baby shower. Baby shower is today. Everybody's downstairs cooking. All right, so this is the situation before everybody gets here.